Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this channel, we cover various technical topics. This video consists of step-by-step short tutorials on basic computer skills. Firstly, why do we need basic computer skills? In today's daily life, using smartphones or any computer device requires understanding basic computer knowledge for tasks like filling forms and applications. It's crucial for parents to assist their children with schoolwork, and it's essential if you plan to join the tech industry as a career. Now, let's delve into what a computer really is. A programmable device qualifies as a computer based on the input, process, output, and storage definition. Computers enable us to perform multiple tasks simultaneously, handling data input through devices like keyboards and providing expected results or output as information. The ability to temporarily or permanently store information adds to its flexibility and capacity.
There are various types of computers today, including personal computers for desktop and laptops, servers for larger organizational needs, and even smartphones and tablets. Computers consist of two main components: hardware and software. Hardware includes physical, touchable parts like keyboards and internal components, such as the motherboard and CPU. Software, on the other hand, provides instructions that guide hardware operations categorized into system software, e.g. operating systems, and application software, e.g. web browsers, games. System software, like Windows and macOS, comes with the device, while application software can be downloaded based on personal needs, such as word processors, web browsers, and email applications like Gmail and Outlook.
To summarize, a computer is a programmable device that processes input data and produces output information, offering flexibility and capacity. It comprises hardware and software, each serving distinct roles. This video covers the first part of basic computer knowledge, and we'll explore more in the next video. Thank you for listening. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for the benefit of others.